So this is the third day of the conference. That's a WAPA conference. I'm with the Leonard Maxwell Asare. He's an editor of the Law Platform, and we want to review the conference thus far. This is the third day, and this is the last day we shall be in this auditorium. As we speak, the reports of the various regions of the bar are being submitted to the conference. Thereafter, discussions about issues of the country and also the bar would be, and also resolutions may be moved and adopted. So we want to have a review of the conference so far. So Maxwell, respectfully, what is your take of the general organization of this year's conference?
I think for me, the general organization of this conference has been good. It has been superb in the sense that it's been over 130 plus years that WA hosted the bar conference. So if they are hosting it this year, and then looking at the various activities and then the things that I've seen in general, I think they've really done well. They deserve all the accolades that they need to be given. They've really done well.
I see. So congrats to the Upper West Bar and
Yes.
also the executive committee and organizing committee of this year's conference.
Yes, they've really done well.
Respectfully, we go into the speeches on the
Okay.
first day. What are your takeaways from the speeches? That is that of the. Let's go first with the Attorney General.
With
That's the
that,
leader of the bar.
with the Attorney General, I think for some people, they believe that the Attorney General came to do politics. But for me, I think that what the Attorney General did was more or less like to draw our attention to the fact that the bar should be seen doing its mandate. That is, the bar is not supposed to be seen trying to only do its mandate or execute its mandate when a particular regime is in power. So for me, the takeaways that I got is that the Attorney General was admonishing the bar that regardless of whoever is in power, if the thing that is being done is not good, the bar should speak to it. The bar should not be silent on issues, especially national issues that really confront the citizenry. I think for that one, I think I side with the Attorney General. I agree 100% with the Attorney General that it is high time that the bar will be more vocal and then try to be concerned about things that really affect the citizenry. Because honestly speaking, you realize, I think in his speech he even mentioned Sal, that when Sal happened, he didn't hear of the bar association speak about it. For me, I think that it was right on the head because I expected the bar association to say something about Sal, but unfortunately nothing was said about it.
Very well.
So I think whatever that he said, some are supposed to be taken in good faith, but others, some were so much political that at least those ones can be discarded.
For example,
For example, when he was trying to actually hit more on the bar, trying to politicize the bar, I think that one was unnecessary. It was unnecessary to politicize the bar. Even if you have seen something wrong with the bar, you as the leader, the official leader of the bar, you are not supposed to be seen as trying to say that the bar is more or less inclined to a certain political party.
Very well.
I think that is very bad. That is
Very well.
rather unfortunate.
Very well. The speech of the record-breaking president of the bar, Madam Ifwagati. Your takeaway from my speech.
I think my takeaway is that people were expecting the president to also come in and hit hard on the attorney general, but to be very honest, I think most of them were disappointed. But for me, I think the composure, the speech of the president was really heartwarming. Even though at certain point in time she acknowledges certain setbacks, but then she still was forceful with his words, with his pronouncements, especially with regards to the CJ, the removal of the CJ, and other national issues.
Very
She was on point on all those things. So for me, I think that she also did marvelously well with her speech.
Very well. I see.
Her speech.
Would you want to say anything about the that of the acting Chief Justice.
Yes, I think one thing that I take out of the acting Chief Justice, it's hammering on the galamsey issue. It's hammering on the galamsey issue, trying to call for the abolition or the repeal of the LI, the 2624 or something. That's LI that's granted mining in forest areas.
That is
I think he was calling for the repeal of that LI, and I strongly support that call.
Very well.
I strongly
So
support that
let's see your general overview of the continuing legal education. What do you make of it? Do you think has been impactful for participants of this year's conference? And what would you say to a learner friend who opted out this year?
For me, I think that the various topics that we've dealt with relative to the CLEs, it's very heartwarming, and then they are really good topics that, as lawyers, will really go a long way to help us in our profession. So I think that anyone who couldn't make it, at least if you know someone who made it to the conference, at least try and then liaise with the person so that the person can give you some of the materials with regards to the CLEs, so that at least you can also read and then have your own input on it.
Well, so this Maxwell Asare,
Yeah.
grateful for your
I'm
views.
also grateful for having me.
And see you guys in Accra.
Yeah.